Nakita niyo?
Yeah, I read the affidavit.
Opo.
Ako kasi pag mayroong information in my previous life, this is how I treat any information that comes to my attention. First, yung ano ba yung credibility ng source? And second, ano yung reliability ng information itself? Dalawa yun eh. Kasi kung polluted yung source, it follows. Ito yung sinusunod natin na meron tayong A1, A2, B1, B2, di ba? Yung rating, yung classification ng intelligence information. So, may mga portions doon na pwede na sabihin credible, pero may mga questionable. Number one, ang sinabi lang 805 billion yung napunta, yung pinamahagi o napunta kay Congressman Saldico. Well, from 2023 to 2025, ang total amount ng flood control projects, 1.13 trillion. So kung ang napunta kay Congressman Saldico allegedly 805, that's at least 70% of the total appropriations for the same period sa flood control projects. So puro cost na yung nandun. Saan manggagaling yung napunta kay Bernardo? Saan ang napunta kay Alcantara? Sobra computation. That's my first observation. Second, as we speak, sumulat na ako sa Philippine Navy, Philippine Army, to conduct record check and background investigation on the 18 Marine Philippine Navy and Army personnel. Ang initial information, wala pa, sumulat ako. At saka sa LTO, may initial information from the Philippine Navy na yung iba dishonorably discharged. A number of them were never members of the Philippine Navy. So doon pa lang, makukwestiyon natin yung credibility ng source. If true, kasi media lang ito. That's why I'm formalizing it by way of an official letter to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, attention to Philippine Navy and Philippine